baby to the windowsill to see a bit of heaven shoot across the sky. The one and only time Daddy saw it fly.
It came from the east just as bright as a torch. The neighbors had a party on their porch. Daddy rocked the baby, mother said amen when Halley came to visit in 1910.
And back then Jackson was a real small town. It's not every night a comet comes around. It's almost 80 years since its last time through. So I bet your mother would have said amen too.
As its tail stretched out like a stardust streak, the papers wrote about it every day for a week. They wondered where it's going and where it's been when Halley came to Jackson in 1910. Daddy told the baby sleeping in his arms
To dream a little dream of a comet's charm.
and he made a little wish as she slept so sound.
1986 that wish came round.
It came from the east just as bright as a torch. She saw it in the sky from her daddy's porch. As heavenly sent as it was back then when Halley came to Jackson in 1910. Late one night when the wind was still,